cold. I'm gonna go get my keys so I can run down and...
He's behind you. Go get him and put him in with you.
Cold.
Show me Barney.
Okay.
What does he sing?
I like
Keep going.
it. I
You love me,
like it.
family,
Baby can.
and a kiss from me to you.
Baby,
Yay! Woo! You hit your head too. Let's pick you up. Oh, pick this kid up. Oh, you're too heavy. Oh, there she goes.
No bicycle.
Tell that bicycle, bad bicycle. Move it like over here. Right there. Okay, stop. Okay, you can get in now. Careful, you're gonna fall. Woo! No, not that time. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Throw me a kiss. Throw me a kiss. Mommy. Say see ya.
Oh yeah? What's...
Hi, we're snowed in. Outside. It's snow. Tell them it's snowy out.
Children's future tonight here at WBIA-TV. We're stuck here live in the studios, and what better show is we are stuck at your homes with your children and programs like Barney for them to enjoy, New Yankee Workshop for the adults.